Science is full of amazing discoveries, but there are many myths around it that continue to live in our heads. Today, we will debunk the 5 most popular myths that still lead us down the wrong path. What people think. This myth states that only a small part of our brain is actively used and the rest is simply spare. Truth. The brain is fully active, even when we don't notice it. All its parts perform important functions. Black holes are dust funnels that suck in everything around them. Truth. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. The 4 dimensions are width, length, height, and time, and they are all equally important. We are in 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. Evolution occurs through natural selection, and organisms adapt to their environment rather than by chance. What people think. Evolution is a random process in which random individuals survive. Truth. Evolution occurs through natural selection, and organisms adapt to their environment. What people think. Atoms are the little solid particles that make up everything. Truth. Atoms are made of empty space, and their particles move at great speed. We are in 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time, but the theory of relativity and quantum physics suggests the existence of multidimensional spaces. Myth 1. People only use 10% of their brain. In fact, the entire brain is active, even when we don't realize it. Myth 2. Black holes are just giant dust funnels. In fact, these are huge objects with enormous gravitational force. Myth 3. All atoms are solid particles. Atoms are actually made of empty space. Myth 4. Evolution is a random process. In fact, evolution is regulated by natural selection. Myth 5. We live in 4 dimensions. In fact, we live in 3 spatial and 1 time dimensions. We are in 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. But this does not mean that other dimensions do not exist. All atoms and molecules interact with each other in a single mechanism that determines everything around us. Every atom is made up of empty space, which makes all objects on Earth solid.